In my team, I have many who are graduates who have been in this space. CHIPUKEEZY is here, you know. For those who think CHIPUKEEZY is doing this for fun, I want to tell you I pay CHIPUKEEZY. And he is not cheap. You know, the Secretary General of the ruling party, Cleo Malala, is a product of art. KJ here, a member of parliament, second term, is it? Second term member of parliament of Dagoretti South, is a product of art and creative economy. Dennis Itumbi here is a product of the creative space. You know, so we have many who have graduated from that space, and I want to tell our young girls, young children here today that you too have a future if you can perfect, if you're disciplined, if you can perfect the arts space. And it is the reason why I was deliberate when forming government on matters creative economy.